Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the DJI Pocket 2. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so there are two versions of the Pocket 2. There's the standard and the creator combo. What's the difference? Well, in the standard, you get this in the box. DJI Pocket 2 gimbal, snazzy. Your wrist strap, your mini control stick, your lightning and your USB-C adapters, your tripod mount with the 1/4" thread, your cover and your instructions. With the creators combo, you get all this plus these. Splitter charging cable type A to type C. Micro tripod. Ooh. The magnetic wide-angled lens. Wireless microphone transmitter. The do-it-all handle or grip. And your wireless microphone. Awesome. If you're familiar with the original Osmo Pocket, then you may have noticed some differences with the design. And you'd be right, but the differences don't stop there. So let's take it from the top. We've got a larger CMOS sensor, which allows better quality whilst out shooting day or night. The upgraded camera and imaging system allows you to capture 64 megapixel photos. Now that is incredible resolution coming from something so small. A wider field of view at 93 degrees, a wider focal length of 20mm and a brighter f1.8 lens, all of which allow you to capture a lot more in your frame, making this ideal for your selfies and helping you to create those cinematic looking vlogs. If that wasn't wide enough for you, then fear not, as the additional wide-angled lens you get in the creators combo offers you an even wider field of view, so you can be sure not to miss anything out of your shots. We've got a zoom, up to 8 times if you're taking photos and up to 4 times if you're recording video. And that's not all, we also have audio zoom, which will enhance your audio as you're zooming in. That's pretty cool. You can now record raw photos while shooting your time lapses and motion lapses. And that's not all, DJI have also introduced their DJI Matrix Stereo with 4 built-in microphones and available in Pro mode to help make your videos sound immersive. And that is something I am definitely going to try. The small design makes the DJI Pocket 2 probably one of the most portable and convenient cameras to take out with you. Mainly because it's going to fit into any pocket. And the 3-axis motorized gimbal is incredible for giving you smooth video and sharp photos, along with that cinematic quality. And finally, you can live stream from the DJI Pocket 2 via the Mimo app to Facebook, YouTube, etc. Now, all of this sounds incredible, and DJI look as though they've made so many improvements on the original Osmo Pocket. I literally can't wait to get out and test it. If you'd like to find out any more information on the DJI Pocket 2, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your local store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed this first look. If you have, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.